Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news. Is Sweden to invest more than Swedish kronas 5.3 billion in drones and satellites to boost armed forces capabilities? The Swedish government has decided to invest more than Swedish kronas 5.3 billion to enhance unmanned systems and space capabilities for the Swedish armed forces. More than Swedish kronas 4 billion will be allocated to various unmanned systems, while Swedish kronas 1.3 billion will be committed to expanding space-based reconnaissance and surveillance. The investment in unmanned systems will cover loitering munitions, reconnaissance drones, airborne electronic warfare capabilities, and unmanned vehicles for different marine applications, with deliveries expected between 2026 and 2028. These acquisitions are intended to strengthen combat units' warfighting capabilities and accelerate operational effects by several years compared with previous plans. Unmanned systems and space situation awareness are crucial in modern warfare. By investing in drone capabilities and space systems, we are strengthening the Swedish Armed Forces' operational capabilities, increasing the resilience of our combat units, and improving our capability to act together with allies, said Minister for Defense Pål Jonson. The government stated that experiences from the war in Ukraine clearly demonstrate the growing importance of drone warfare and space-based reconnaissance. The space investment includes the acquisition of around 10 additional reconnaissance and surveillance satellites, building on Sweden's first military satellite launched in 2024. Enhanced space capabilities offer Sweden improved intelligence gathering, enhanced freedom of action, and greater strategic autonomy. By building up national satellite capabilities, we are strengthening the protection of our combat forces and increasing Sweden's value as a relevant and reliable ally, Johnson said. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.